To help you feel more at home on campus, we're going to show you some of our favorite places at Cincinnati State. So come on, let's go on a quick tour. The Advanced Technology and Learning Center, or ATLC, is packed full of important places. Here, you will find many services to help you, such as the Welcome Center, Financial Aid and Registrar, the Bookstore, Computer Labs, the Career Center, and the Transfer Center. If you get hungry, visit Bakery Hill or the Overlook Cafe. These areas are also great places to hang out or get some work done between classes.
Speaking of food, our ATLC building is home to our Midwest Culinary Institute. Students in our nationally ranked culinary and pastry programs learn in a variety of very specialized kitchens here. For example, in our international kitchen, culinary students learn to prepare international cuisines and study cultural influences on food. Our Culinary and Food Science Lab is where we combine the science of food and cooking. These students study the functionality of ingredients and how to innovate the food of tomorrow. Our Pastry Lab is one of the sweetest labs on campus, literally. While these students learn the technical aspects of baking and pastry, we love to admire their beautiful centerpieces. In this demonstration kitchen, we have hosted several special events featuring prominent chefs and television shows, such as America's Test Kitchen and Lydia's Kitchen. The demo kitchen is not the only place recording takes place. Did you know we have our very own recording studios? This is where our audio and video production majors get hands-on experience. In the Health Professions Building, or HPB, great careers in healthcare, fire, and EMS start here. We are a leading supplier of health and public safety professionals in the greater Cincinnati region. A popular lab in this building is where students view and learn from lab activities that use a cadaver. In fact, students in the honors program have a unique opportunity to experience hands-on cadaver dissection. In our medical laboratory technician lab, students are busy learning to perform tests on blood and body fluids used to diagnose and treat diseases. Ever thought about becoming a nurse? You can do it here. In our simulation lab, students will practice the skills needed to assess and provide care for the patients. If you want to work in the surgical suite, you can prepare for the operating room scrub roll. In our respiratory therapy lab, we help students learn how to help patients of all ages breathe easier by treating diseases of the lungs and heart like asthma, COPD, congestive heart failure, bronchitis, and pneumonia. The most comprehensive fire and EMS training program in the greater Cincinnati region is available here, with state-certified fire instructors, our own fire engines, ladder truck, heavy rescue truck, and ambulance. The hands-on firefighting courses and live burn exercises are held at nearby fire departments and training centers. Across the street from our main campus, our Eileen Burke Occupational Therapy Center is a specialized house equipped with adaptive equipment designed to prepare our future OT assistant students to help patients perform functions of daily living.
Did you know this building used to be a high school? It became main building in 1969 and is home of several academic divisions, support offices, general education departments, and specialized labs. Here, you will also find our Parenting Resource Center, which assists students who are parents, pregnant, or serve in a parental role by providing a dedicated study space, an area to engage with other parenting students, and connection to campus and community supports. Students have a great time in our physics and chemistry labs because it gives them the opportunity to expand their knowledge with demonstrations of concepts and real-world experimentation. You may see students in our 3D printing or additive manufacturing lab creating 3D dimensional parts from computer-aided design models, scanned objects, or pictures for careers in a number of industries, including aviation, automotive, and healthcare. In our robotics lab, we focus on teaching students everything from programming and automation control to robot anatomy. Our welding lab features individual welding booths equipped with the innovative air handling and gas delivery system. The lab is also complemented by advanced manufacturing and testing facilities.
As the leading provider of aviation maintenance technicians in Southwest Ohio, our Harrison facility hosts the Cincinnati West Airport. Featuring a 10,000 square foot hangar and well-equipped labs, students gain the skills needed to keep aircrafts operating safely and efficiently.
We have our own campus arboretum, featuring over 150 species of trees and shrubs. At our greenhouse, students learn how to identify and care for plants. Students use the entire campus landscape as a living laboratory, including our land surveying students who get experience in fundamental land surveying measurement methods, GPS, and drone technology.
That was quick, and we haven't covered everything, but that's part of the fun. When you're on campus, you'll be exploring for yourself, finding new things, new places, and new friends. You are going to love it here.